In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made $30 in just 1 hour with this method that I used off of TikTok. As we know, Shopify dropshipping can be extremely hard, and getting ads could take up a lot of your profits and using up a lot of your startup money. But with this method that I'm about to teach to you today, I'm going to show you how you can make money off of Shopify, off of dropshipping, with doing no ads, spending absolutely no money in ads, and getting free ad revenue. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video so you can learn how to start making money online completely passively without spending any money at all on ads. Guys, we know this dropshipping world is not easy, and I'm gonna show you how I made $30 in just my first hour starting up this store. Some things you are gonna need for this video is a laptop, of course. You're going to need to start up a Shopify store. If you don't know how to, I will show you how to start up a Shopify store before the end of this video. Next, you are going to need to find a winning product. Now, this is the most important part of this process. You want to find a winning product. You want to find something that people are just going to go crazy off of, especially with the way that social media is working now. You want to find a trending product that a lot of people are buying. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Please, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell. I don't know why you haven't hit it already. Hit that bell. We are having a ebook sale right now, or you guys could subscribe to the Patreon and get all of the ebooks and all of the step-by-step tutorials all in a bundle over on the Patreon. But if you don't want to get everything in one, go ahead and check out the ebook sale that we have in a lot of ebooks.shopify, link in the description, for you to make money in whatever niche you want. Money online, starting a trucking business, making money on Amazon FBA, anything you want on the Shopify and on the Patreon, link in the description. So stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! We're going over how you can make $100 to even $1,000 a day off of your Shopify store using organic free ads. Now guys, for this method to work, you do want to have the most trending topic, the trending most product that you can find. And in today's example, we're going to be using balaclavas. Now for those of you that don't know what balaclavas are pretty much the ski mask that only leaves out your eyes open like this. And it's what is trending in the rap industry, and a lot of youth are buying these balaclavas strictly because of artists such as Pooh Shiesty and Yeet. Now these balaclavas are very in fashion right now, especially the distressed balaclava, and some of these balaclavas can go up to $50. So I'm going to show you how you can make money off of this product or any product that you choose. All you have to do is run some good eye-catching ads. So the first thing you want to do is build your store. You want to go to shopify.com. If you haven't already done so yet, you want to make an account and you want to make your own domain. It costs $14 per year to have your customized domain. You want to create a website and you want to start putting either your one product store or multiple products on this website. Now, some easy software to use to get everything uploaded on your store and pretty much your store built for you is a software called AutoDS. Now I love AutoDS because AutoDS is a automatically fulfillment software. With this AutoDS, guys, AutoDS will allow you to go straight from Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, whatever distribution website that you are buying your product from, or whatever you're selling your product from, you can automatically import it to your store by using AutoDS. All you have to do is link your AutoDS website account up to your Shopify account and do the verification process, and everything will be connected. All you have to do, guys, is go on Amazon or wherever you're trying to order your products from and just press import to store up top on your desktop, and it will be automatically on your Shopify store. Now another good thing about AutoDS is that they have an automatic fulfillment, meaning that every order you get, you have to do no work at all, completely passive, and AutoDS will fulfill your orders for you. Now AutoDS, this service is quite expensive. It is $300 to start it up, but you get a free 14-day trial. So with this method that I'm about to explain to you, you can make $1,000 without even paying that $300, because you can make $1,000 in your first 2 weeks with this method that I'm about to go over. So once you have your store set up and once AutoDS is linked up to your Shopify account, what you want to do is you want to go to TikTok, you want to go on Instagram, and you want to go to Facebook, and you want to create yourself an account specifically for that store. This account set up and all your accounts set up for your store, profile picture, professional name, and professional biography directing people back to your store. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and post every day, a minimum of 3 times a day on your accounts, and wait until your organic marketing starts to build. Now, the reason I say that I made $30 in just my first hour off of this method is because TikTok, as we know, is one of the most dominant social media platforms out, and the algorithm is absolutely crazy, so you're pretty much getting free ads. An easy way to put this method on blast is you want to go to snaptik.com. This is a website that will allow you to copy and paste TikToks from other TikTokers and get a no watermark TikTok just like you made it yourself. What you want to do with snaptik.com is you want to go in your niche. Say that we are selling these balaclavas. So you want to go to a balaclava page, you want to go to somebody that's already doing what you're doing, and you want to just go ahead and copy the link, upload it to snaptik.com, and you will be having a freshly no watermark downloaded video that you can now post on your TikTok to advertise your product. Now that you have yourself a quick little 15-second ad that you just copied and pasted, what you just need to do now is do that 3 times per day and just watch as your numbers and as your profile grows. You already have AutoDS working for you, so once you have your website and AutoDS linked up, you have to do absolutely no work at all on the fulfillment and on your website part. You can just simply sit back and see the money rolling in. Now, the key part to this method, guys, is just you want to make sure that you're staying consistent. Every day you want to make sure you're posting on all of your social media accounts and post multiple times per day, and make sure you're getting the most eye-appealing content as you can. You want to make sure that you have chosen a winning product, because if you are just selling, say, thumbtacks, people aren't in the market right now to buy thumbtacks. You want to sell something that everybody wants and that everybody is buying, so that there won't be that much competition, so that people will buy your product. Now, if you really want to take this method to the next level and you really want to scale your store, what you would need to start doing is you want to start getting shout outs. You want to start doing influencer marketing. And what influencer marketing is it's pretty much influencers on the platform that has a lot of followers giving you a shout out, telling their followers, telling their millions of followers to follow your page, to go check out your page. And even if you really want to, you can probably send this influencer a couple of dollars and send them a free product of what you are selling, and tell them to shout out your page, and that people will go to your page. Say that influencer has 1 million people and gets 1 million views per post that they post. Out of those 1 million, all you need is 0.001 to make some decent money, and you can make $50 or even $1,000 just off of this one influencer marketing post that you have achieved. This is how many of these Shopify websites and many of these dropshippers are having their successful businesses, by simply influencer marketing. As we know, dropshipping is behind the computer and it is a faceless niche. So by you getting somebody with a fan base, you can easily get multiple sales and make a full-time income with this drop shipping. All you have to do is just keep scaling out to more influencers and keep paying for shout outs. Now, this is paid advertisement, paying for these shout outs, but say you pay $200 for 2 days of 2 days long of advertising time, and those 2 days you probably get 20 sales, and 20 sales times $20 in profit is money in your bank account. But guys, the key to this method is 3 times a day will keep some money in your bank account, and you will start making money off of free advertisement. Just post 3 times a day on TikTok and Instagram, and you can make some decent money going to your Shopify store. If you guys want more videos like this, please drop in the comments what you want to learn next and how you want to make money online about next, and I will respond and I will deliver. This is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy, and we post daily over here, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn those post notifications on. If you haven't done so already, man, please give this video a big thumbs up. Until tomorrow, this is Black Investors Group. I'm KINGLATTA. You can learn how to make money easy and make money online and make money from home, so you can be with your family all day, every day, and simply enjoy life and not have to listen to a boss bossing you around. You can learn how to be financially free. Just subscribe to the family. We're on our way to 100K. This is Black Investors Group. We out. Woo!